Hello, this is basic video instructions about HU64. We start with the resetting of the pins. We have 5 pins in one side and 5 pins in the other side. We have also 5 reset holes in this side, and the other 5 are in the other side. So this is the reset tool. We need to reset them all the way. This is very important. Try to reset them all. Don't forget any of them. Like this. And we check them. 5 here, 5 here, all of them reset. Now I need to push them like this to be in one line. I push them one by one, because if you forget to push them like this, it will be very hard to put the tool inside the lock. It will be almost impossible, and the tool may break. They need to be in one line like this. We check them, this side and this side. The next thing we need to do is to put the tool inside the lock. We need to find the right way to put it, like this or like this. We don't know, that's why I choose one side freely. Push it like this. The gate must be closed. The back wheel must be all the way right when I do it. When I'm inside the lock, open the gate with medium tension, turn the wheel, and I feel no resistance here, maybe just a little resistance. This side also, no resistance. And I know this is the wrong side. I put it out, turn it like this, open the gate and try again. Medium tension, and here I feel very hard resistance, because in this lock we have 10 wafers, not 8, and the 10 wafers make much more resistance than the other locks. If I feel the resistance is too much to turn it, I release the tension a little bit. The first couple of turning I do with very little tension, like this. Very little tension in the beginning, and when I feel the turning is more freely, when I feel it, I go in with little more tension, like this. And like the second generation of Volkswagen, I do it a little more turning every time. And now the lock is open. I turn the back wheel all the way left, return it a little. We jiggle it like this, so we can imprint the code better. I go with the starting position before I close the gate. I must go exactly in 90 degrees. Close the gate, return the wheel in the starting position, and we can put out the tool. Now we can see the code. We have 5 lines because of the 5 depths of the tool, and with these lines, like the other tools, we can check the exact combination of the lock. So this was HU64. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Bye bye.